Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to show you guys how we make crawfish and crab boil. The first thing we need to do is clean our crabs and crawfish. My uncle and aunt bought about 35 pounds of crawfish. The way we clean them is by purging them, which means we have to soak them in clean, nice water. We will continue to purge them until the water becomes nice and clear. To eat as side items, we have corns and potatoes. And we will use the crawfish, shrimp, and crab boil to season our seafood. First thing we need to do is boil our water and add our seasoning. For the citrus flavor, we added some oranges. You could also add lemon or lime. Corn and potatoes are the longest to cook, so we add them first. Since we have so many crawfish and crabs, we will use multiple pots. And we will add the same seasoning as before. In this pot, we will cook our blue crabs. We will wait until the water is boiled and then we add in our blue crabs. And then we will quickly close the lids. In this batch, we will add in butter and onions and our regular seasonings. When the water is boiled, we will add in the crawfish. After the crab has been cooked for about 15 to 20 minutes, now's a good time to put them aside. Crawfish also took about 15 to 20 minutes to cook. Once they are cooked, they will have this nice red color. Our crawfish is also done, guys. Now let's put them aside. And for extra flavor, you could add in your dry seasoning into your cooked crawfish as well. This ultimate crab and crawfish boil is the best way to share food with your family, and it's a feast that everybody will enjoy for a long, long time.